Welcome back, guys. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on next update. Now, our next movement on GBPUSD is another bullish move, so we are expecting one more movement upward. Why we'll be expecting such a movement is that when you go to your forward time frame and you see it right here, you can clearly see that we are trending upward on our GBPUSD. GBPUSD is trending upward, so we had this high, then here comes the higher low, then comes the higher high, and we had this higher low. Market has now given us an higher high, and this is our higher low. So our next movement on GBPUSD is another bullish move that should give us a new higher high. So a new higher high is what we should be expecting next on GBPUSD. Now, could there be any changes to this movement? Yes, there could be, but if there will be any changes, I'll be sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, click on the subscribe button, like and share.